Hey, what's up y'all, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with FoodPRO. Today we are going to be making a ham brie sandwich with pineapple chutney, fresh arugula, and we're going to serve it on a French baguette. The star of this month's show is FoodPRO item number 31475, which is an all-natural, fully cooked applewood smoked ham from Smithfield. It's deli-faced, packaged just like this. There's no preservatives. It's cured with celery juice, so we don't have any nitrates or nitrites in there, which is great for today's health-conscious consumer. Let's get started. All right, we're going to start with this baguette here. This one is from Ace Bakery. It's a nice baguette. A lot of folks are asking, for a upscale sub roll or anything. A lot of times I like to suggest getting a baguette like this. You can cut it whatever size you want, and it just makes for a really nice sandwich. So we're going to use this. I'll cut the ends off here, and I'm going to cut these things about 7 inches. I should be able to get 3 out of this roll. Got that done. And I'm going to slice this brie. Brie is one of my favorite cheeses. It's a soft French cheese. This one's 60%. It's nice and creamy. And I'm just going to cut it down into smaller pieces here. Do it like a sub roll here. And I'm going to place the brie diagonally like so. And then this is a pineapple chutney that I've made. I took a fresh pineapple, fine dice, sugar, rice wine vinegar, a little crushed red pepper, and then just reduced it till it got soft. This will provide a sweet and an acid element to our sandwich. I'm gonna put that right on top of the brie like so. And then I'm going to put this in the oven for a couple minutes to soften up the brie and toast up the baguette. Alright, now that this is out of the oven, the baguette is nice and crispy, soft in the middle just like it should be. Our brie cheese is hot and melty. Now I'm going to take some of this beautiful all-natural ham. I don't know if you can see here, but it's got really nice marbling to it. That's the fat. This is a really nice product. When I'm making sandwiches with sliced meats, I like to just kind of fold it up like a flower like that. Makes a sandwich look bigger, fuller, more appetizing, and you'll end up using less product. So that was 4 slices of ham on this, and you can see it looks like it's going over, and these slices are normal deli-faced sliced ham. I have some arugula here. I'm going to take some olive oil, just drizzle it on there. Just a little salt and pepper. Toss that together. Put a little nest of that on there. Just make sure we can see the pineapple. And voila. So to plate this thing, we've got French bread, French cheese. So we're gonna use French fries. And there you have it, folks, a ham and brie sandwich with pineapple chutney on a French baguette and fresh arugula. Thanks for cooking with FoodPRO.